Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Mozilla Firefox browser is completely failing to open and displaying a critical system error stating that it couldn't load Xpcom, it means a recent background update failed and left your computer with a corrupted mixture of old and new program files. I will show you exactly how to replace these damaged files and fix your browser right now. Let's get started. First, a quick and easy way to check if this error is simply a Windows permissions glitch is to force the browser to run with full system privileges. Sometimes strict user account controls prevent Firefox from accessing its own core Xpcom files during startup. Right-click on your Mozilla Firefox desktop shortcut or taskbar icon and explicitly select Run as Administrator from the context menu. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to confirm. If your browser successfully opens and the error disappears, your actual files are fine and you just needed to bypass a temporary background restriction. Next, if the error still pops up, you likely have a corrupted application file that needs to be directly overwritten. You can easily do this without losing any of your saved bookmarks, passwords, or browsing history. Open an alternative web browser, such as Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, and navigate directly to the official Mozilla Firefox download page. Download the latest installer for Windows. Run the setup file and allow it to install Firefox directly over your existing configuration. This process acts as an automated repair tool, quietly replacing the missing or broken Xpcom files while keeping your personal profile completely safe. Finally, if running the installer did not work, the broken files are stubbornly locked and you must perform a clean program reinstall. First, open your Windows File Explorer. Navigate to your C drive, open the Program Files folder, and locate the folder named Mozilla Firefox. Right-click this entire folder and completely delete it to wipe out the corrupted program data. Do not worry, your personal bookmarks and history are safely stored in a completely different hidden directory. Once the broken folder is deleted, run the fresh Firefox installer you downloaded in the previous step. This guarantees a perfectly clean installation, permanently resolving the Xpcom crash and restoring your browser. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.